perfect weather ahead. If you like sunshine and 75, I think there's even a song about that. That's what we have coming up for today. I have our high about 75 this afternoon, although we are starting off this morning a bit on the cool side in the 40s to lower 50s. We have some gorgeous spring weather this week. I do love spring in New Orleans. It just feels so beautiful and crisp and dry most of the time. Then you get the little warm up as the high pressure shifts to the east of us and we start to get a little bit more of that humidity, which doesn't necessarily feel bad when you have temperatures in the 60s and 70s. We do expect a bit of a warming trend into tomorrow. We'll be near 80 degrees and then we get another cool front in the latter part of the day tomorrow. And our next bigger rain event looks like late Sunday, and now so as of this morning, even more on Monday morning. So almost a whole week out until we get our next pretty decent sort of rain. Right now, 52 and so clear and lovely outside. Nice dry feel to the air. 40s for a lot of our spots this morning, so a bit chilly. Jackets and sweatshirts needed for most of us. And then 52 at Kenner and a somewhat warmer 59 at the lakefront. Almost no wind this morning, and we're expecting winds to stay calm for the first part of the day and then to increase to about 5 to 10 miles per hour later on. Super sunny today, our high temperature around 75. That's right around or just a touch above average for this point in the year. Here's your planner, noon 72, outside lunch. Great idea. A walk or something after work or school would be beautiful as well. 74 or so by 5 p.m. And then tonight does not look as cold because we will have south winds, which I'll show you in a second, up to about 10 or so miles per hour. So North Shore, look for middle to upper 50s for early tomorrow morning. And south of the lake, we'll have temperatures around 60. Our surface high shifts to the east and we start to watch for this next front moving in. But this one is coming so quick. This is tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. We have a few more clouds, maybe a stray shower or two. But we really just don't have a lot of time to build up a lot of moisture in the atmosphere and start to see all the energy get going with this one. So not expecting a whole lot of rain. In fact, if you look at our model through tomorrow evening, this is by 6 p.m. Few clouds, maybe still some big patches of clear sky and sunshine though. And then here comes the front, maybe a couple of showers. I have the rain chance tomorrow about 20%. And then by tomorrow night and into Thursday, we're just getting a breezy and cooler feel once again. Talking about that rain quickly, Sunday night to Monday morning, looking like maybe a ½ inch, possibly up to an inch. Too early to say severe, but doesn't really look like it at this point. This is Sunday night. I started it with the European model. It was dry. Monday morning, 7 a.m. Looks like we'll have some rain around for the early commute. And then by 3 p.m. Monday, this particular model has the rain already out of here with the front. And then this is the GFS model. Dry Sunday night, 7 a.m. Monday, it has some rain and then clears it out. So we'll keep you updated on that. But it looks like the whole weekend should be pretty pleasant, aside from maybe a slight chance of rain late on Sunday. Also, yesterday evening, we got more information about those tornadoes from Saturday. The National Weather Service gave these two tracks for two different tornadoes. First, an EF1 estimated at EF4. 170 mile per hour winds and a huge length, 35 miles, and then another one around Tylertown. Both of these starting, one in Kentwood, one in Tylertown, and ending in Darbin, Mississippi, which is a bit to the northwest of Columbia, Mississippi. So a lot of damage. We now at least have some information, and the National Weather Service says there will be more coming. These are just details coming out as they continue to look at the information that they've gathered in the past couple of days. So we'll keep you updated on that, but wow, some significant damage and very clear signatures that we were seeing on Saturday with some of those storms. And again, starting to get some of those more defined details coming up. 7-day forecast shows our temperatures for Thursday chilly, 40s to 50 or so for the morning, and then highs only in the 60s. So if you like it a bit cooler, we get that on Thursday. Friday might be a pretty cold morning. We might have that radiational cooling where it's clear and calm. So North Shore temperatures could make it to upper 30s maybe Friday morning, just kind of scraping there in the upper 30s. And south of the lake, even upper 40s. And then we're warming to near 70 on Friday. Looks beautiful. Look at those 70s for the weekend, a little warmer, but overall super pleasant. A few more clouds around on Sunday, and then that rain set to move in. At this point, it looks like early on Monday morning.
All right.